Hello everyone, welcome today in the additional with extra Sudokus in the daily newspaper on Tuesday July the 28th 2020. We have here 5 extra Sudokus, a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a binary and a tectonic. But we will start first with the 1 star Sudoku. Let me focus this. Alright, and before I start, this will be number 1, 2, 3, 8. And I always count the printed numbers. The 1 star has usually 27 printed numbers. Let me check. 1, 2. This is 5 is 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 4, 15, 17 plus 4 is 21, 23, 25, and 2, 27. Yes, so let's get started. Let me see. How about the number? Let me see. Yeah. Alright. These 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3. So no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 6 is missing. We see here 6, so no 6 there. Here 6, so no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. Then 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number is a 7. The other 2 are the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this big square, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 should be in these 2 boxes. I marked them for you. So 1 box left for the 7. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4 in the middle row. We have a 4 here, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1 is missing in the middle row. The 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here's a 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. The 8 and the 9 are missing. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. In this big square, the 3 missing numbers are the 5, the 6, and the 7. We see here the 6, So no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. The 7 and the 5 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes there. 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The last row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in this box. We see there 2, no 2 in that box. Here also 2, no 2 there. Here also no 2 in this box, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. Let me mark them for you so it's easier to follow. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 and the 9 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, let me mark them for you. These 2 boxes in this row, the 8 and the 9. 8 and 9, let me mark them again. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 2 and the 5 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. I mark them for you. It's a pair. 4 in the 3rd row, 4 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4, therefore should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so in that column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 3, 8, and 9, yes. 3 missing numbers in this column. 3, the 8, and the 9. I see here the 3 and the 9, so no 3 and the 9 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 8. The 3 and the 9 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row, the last row, the 8 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. So 5 and the 7. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. Let me mark them for you, 3 and 7. How about these 3 numbers? In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 numbers should be the numbers 7 and 2. 2 and 7. We have a 5 here. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be the 2. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be the 7. We have a 7 now, so this cannot be a 7. This should be the 7 and this should be the 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be the 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9, this should be the 9, and this should be the 4. One box left in this row for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 1. Then 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 8. 1 and the 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 8. And now the second column, 2 numbers missing. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 number left in this first row for the number 8. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow, I'm very impressed. And please, do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. So see you later and bye bye for now.